Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete voice search history. So to start, open Google Chrome and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right, then select Manage your Google account. Now on the left side, go to Data and Privacy. Now once you're in here, select My Activity under Personalization. Next, scroll down and in here, so this is where you can see all of your activities or your Google activities. Now you can click Filter by Date and Product, or you can click Delete right here. Then you can choose last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. So let's select all time for example, select everything, then click Next, click Delete to confirm it, and click Got it. And that's it. Next, another thing you can do is to again click your profile in the top right, then go to Manage your Google account. Now, in here, click My Activity, then scroll down and you can also delete it from here. Click Delete, select which one you prefer, and confirm it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.